What you're looking at here is termite damage in a house that goes back to about the 1800s or older. Or at least this wall goes back that far. The actual structure is probably back to the Revolution, or maybe even prior. They are 9 feet up. This was a stubborn termite condition that ate this house for more than 2 decades. And I've cured it. And now it's all getting repaired years later. Yep, 9 feet up. They were able to steal the moisture from the ground. That is, Rectomys flavites, the North American termite, stole enough moisture from the ground and behind this bathroom wall to get up 9 feet. As you can see, it didn't touch this beam next to it. That's because the majority of this beam was outside the inside portion of the wall and was much drier. There you have the old toilet over there, the wall behind with the horsehair plaster that was holding in the moisture. Great insulator, this stuff. Some other termite damage in this sleeper still under here. All gone. There it is there. That strange beam over there is an old cross-member support. This building not only has post and beam construction built into it, it has some clinker construction, more like building a ship, and there is some of it.